Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. I hope you're having a beautiful day. I'm here, I was just in the sauna. You can see up there is the sauna, and look at the view of the Burj Khalifa and the city. It's like from the future. Dubai is an amazing city. It looks like when you watch Stargate Atlantis, right? But it's a city. We're gonna jump into the charts for Bitcoin. We had a big pump just now, amazing, because I was long if you followed my last video. On a $1,200 trade, I made small trades because you asked, my audience asked me to, all of you guys. I also trade with millions of dollars on other exchanges, which I showed in the last video, and much more on other ones. But that trade that we did with 1,200 is up $350 in a few hours, which is beautiful. $350, even though it's in percentage wise, it's tiny for me, it's still your daily expenses. Like, say, okay, if you spend like crazy in some of the big cities, you could spend 1,000, 2,000 a day, but still quite a lot of money on such a small amount of trade. Hit the subscribe button, smash up the thumbs up button. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the tech. And on the weekly, Bitcoin still not looking amazing, but we got a big bounce off this. So you're looking at weekly candles. You're looking at the price of Bitcoin moving for the last few years here. This is the price of Bitcoin moving for a few years. And just now we've been in this bear flag, but we got a big bounce here. That's pretty good. But this is the bear flag, and this is the channel that we're in. This makes a bear flag, and I do expect Bitcoin to drop, but that was quite a big bounce that we had. Stochastic, though, is still pushing down on the weekly. However, the MACD has gone green, and only recently, but it had a very short-lived pump. Money flow is now flowing back into Bitcoin, so that's a good sign. And stochastic, the only thing is stochastic is overbought. That's the only thing that's showing on the weekly. But let's go into the daily. On the daily, you can see that pump a lot better, which is beautiful. We're actually long, not short. I don't know where that it's showed if you followed the last video, we went long on Bitcoin. I closed the short, which was a good prediction, because after I closed the short, Bitcoin pumped. This is the Bitcoin trade I had open, now up $330 from like 3 hours or 4 hours ago when I made that video. 25% on the trade. I used $1,292 of margin, so a $12,000 trade, and made $332. Which is beautiful. Let's go back to the technicals and let's see where we're going to close the trade. Now we're at a big area of resistance here on the daily charts. That was quite a big movement. That was just now. Let's see how much Bitcoin was just bought in that candle. Oh, it was all bought at one go. I wonder who. No, it was three. In 3 hour candles, there was around 39,000 Bitcoin just bought. Look at the volume over there. That's volume. That tells you how much Bitcoin was bought and sold in that 4 hour period. 39,000 Bitcoin was just bought and sold. Very interesting. We bounced strongly off. Money flow is turning off the bottom now and heading up on the 4 hourly. Also on the daily, I think. Look at that on the daily. MACD is still coming down on the daily, but that was the first white candle that shows that we could have been finished this drop. And stochastic just curled off the bottom as well. On the 4 hours, stochastic heading off the bottom. Money flow flowing back in and just starting. MACD turning to head up. So this is a bullish sign. We got a big bounce off this. Now the big area of resistance will be here. So closing the trade at 42,100 would be a smart bet, because that would be a big area of resistance. So that's where I think my take profit is already set there from the previous trade. EMA ribbons, we're coming back into the EMA ribbons. That's the first sign of bullishness we've had for a while. And look at this support at the 39,000 where we came close to. That's the most buying and selling that's the most orders. And I thought that Bitcoin would actually, if you followed my previous weeks of videos, I said Bitcoin would come down to 39,000 to take all the liquidity. That's what I would do if I was the market maker. But then if I was the market maker, I would then dump them, liquidate them, and move them up. But it came down to take all that liquidity at the 39K, which is very interesting. Crypto Guru bot still saying to sell. It hasn't fired a buy. The Bitcoin indicator bot, and you get these in the master course in the description, the Bitcoin indicator bot fired a buy. So this is kind of bullish on the 4 hourly. On the hourly, also a lot of volume, stochastic heading up, MACD turning to the upside, money flows flowing in, stochastic overbought but still heading up. So that was quite a big pump. 42,000 is where I would close it, but this was what we needed. So if it does keep going on this trajectory, let's see where it goes. If we keep going on this trajectory, the target would be up here. So the target would actually be Bitcoin coming to 48,000. So interesting. But again, 42,000 will be the big deciding moment. but that broke the bear flag, so that's a good thing. But this happened before, if you remember. See here, if the previous videos, we had a bear flag playing here, and then it broke out of the bear flag, then dumped on everyone. I wonder if that happens now, but that was a big buying volume. Someone bought 39,000 Bitcoin. Interesting. If you want to trade like you're seeing me do, no, I didn't go along the other one. If you want to trade like you're seeing me do, underneath this video, in the description and pinned comment, go down below, smash up this thumbs up button, click all these buttons, hit the subscribe button, follow my 71,000, I have now 71,000 subscribers. Click the join button. If you join, you get notified of my trades in Bitcoin, stocks, cryptos, and Bitcoin trading on Bybit. Sign up, you get a sign up bonus of $4,600 now when you sign up to Bybit and start trading. You can also join the Telegram chat. Femex, you get $4,100 of bonuses. Binance 700. NordVPN, if you have restrictions. You can take the Crypto Master course where you learn everything. All of these links. Join Twitter, join Instagram, follow me on the Discord. We have a 6,000 person Discord server. Lots of good stuff. When you sign up to Bybit, and that's the main exchange I use for trading, in this account I have $200,568, all almost US dollars. I'm going to buy a little bit of Bitcoin here because that was a strong bounce. This trade is up $313. And the take profit, I set it at 42,400. So that's already a set take profit. Now, do I add more to Bitcoin? That's the question. Let's look at the altcoin, the total market cap, to see what that's telling us. And the stock market also having a pump today, which is beautiful. FXS up 14%. Airbnb up 5%, NEO up 5%, Radium 3%, Boeing 4%, Coinbase. I bought shit tons of Coinbase the other day, like really a huge amount, now up 3%, which is beautiful. Bitcoin 2%, Twitter 2%, Uber. A lot of the stock market also having a pump. The total market cap of all cryptos. Now this is another indicator we're going to use. So that's also playing out in the same pattern almost exactly as Bitcoin. We've got this pole, we've got this flag forming, but it's forming a channel which is not a bullish channel. That's why I'm cautious to start adding in here. This is not a bullish channel. This is a bear flag that's playing out. But again, like Bitcoin, if we get that bounce, if this flag keeps playing out, the target would be here. So we could get a little bit of an altcoin run, 1.9 trillion, maybe possibly to 2.1 trillion. That would get a lot of people bullish, which is a good sign. Crypto Guru bot fired a buy. Bitcoin indicator bot fired a sell. It hasn't fired a buy. I'm cautious to go very long here. I did buy a bunch of pancake swap earlier today. I bought 30,000 yesterday. I bought 30,000. I'm going to keep laddering into pancake swap because that's something that I'm very bullish about. Pancake swaps, because you get 67% APY. So that means if you stake $100,000 of pancake swap, you get $67,000 of interest per year. And pancake swap is the biggest decentralized exchange. It's a very interesting one. Yeah, let me know your comments. What do you think? Do you think this drop is over and Bitcoin's finished this dump? My thinking is that we come to 42,000 and then we can dump more. But we're closer to the bottom than we are to the top. That's definitely the case. Even if we dump down to 29,000, I think will be very difficult, but we're pretty close to that point now anyway. Like, okay, it could dump to 29,000, but when Bitcoin's millions of dollars, it's a little bit of a difficult decision here. There is volume increasing. So I'll keep long on my trade to 42,000, but I'll buy half a Bitcoin just in case. I don't want to miss out any pump. So I'm going to buy half a Bitcoin on just normal position. So I'm going to buy half a Bitcoin, buying 20,000, confirm. I just bought half a Bitcoin. Beautiful. So I've got half a Bitcoin, and then I'll start laddering in when we get more bullish confirmations. So thank you all for watching. That's what's happening in the market. I'll show you some links again to trade on Bybit like I was doing down below. I'll show you down below in the description, pin comment. This was the sauna from the inside. It's very beautiful. Magic Craft characters coming to life. Babe, what's wrong? I miss you so much. But Bitcoin did have a pump just now, which is beautiful. Me getting dressed to go to work when there's an 8-year-old YouTuber that made $26 million this year. My biggest advice for people is make multiple sources of income, make income and invest it, and get out of the rat trap. Don't work your whole life for someone else. I have so many employees, and even I tell them every day, like, invest your money. Don't just take my pay. Like, I don't want them to work. I mean, I want to build companies that last forever, like many years. We're building companies that we want to compete with Google, with Magic Craft, like build some epic tech company. But I still want my employees to kind of retire and do it because they enjoy it like few hours a day from their laptops, not work 9 to 5 every day and not have any life. You know, you need to live your life, enjoy each moment, be healthy. Some advice for me: learn Panchakarma, research Panchakarma, invest your money. Don't just hold on to your investments. I know a lot of people like, oh, the best thing is don't time the markets, just hold on. It's bullshit. Learn technical analysis. You've seen what I can do. Instead of losing, my account was $200,500. If I had held on to it in the recent dump, it would be like $50,000. Why do you want that? Or like, you want to secure your wealth at the top, then buy again on the bottom. Don't just hold it and drop. And learn technical analysis. Study. It's not so hard. Learn investing. Watch my videos every day. Subscribe. Thank you for watching, everyone. Hit the subscribe button, smash up thumbs up button. This is James from Crypto Guru, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.